peelers, eggplant. I will see what happened with this delicious recipe. Bell pepper, potatoes, onion, tomatoes, eggplants, garlic, minced meat. Let's see what happened. First, eggplant. Add salt, and after that after half hour it tastes better. You can do this for all eggplants. After cutting the potatoes, we add flour, make the taste better when you add flour in these potatoes. Frying the potatoes first, and after that stir eggplants. Don't forget that this kind of potatoes, this part of the potatoes is not good for your health, for your stomach. It's make you gastric. Onion is the best antibiotics for your body. And after that, garlic. Everything okay?
Okay.
At the end of the vegetables, you cut the bell peppers. Good smell, good taste. Nice. Throw away bitter extract of eggplants. turn up onions and garlic, frying at the end. Finally, you should add the spice. Add tomato paste. Oh my god, what a combination. After adding all of the materials, let it fry, and it's ready. Eggplant filling. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Don't forget like, comment and subscribe. We will see you in the next video. Bye.
I don't understand it, but you